Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. I am going to show you how to create mosaic stone texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Use rectangle tool shortcut M to draw a horizontal box shape. Box fill color R147, G149, B159. Appearance panel Shift F6 or go to Windows panel and Appearance. Click on Add New Effect and Texture and Mosaic Tiles. Tile size 12 and growth width 3 and lighten growth 9. Again click on Add New Effect and Artistic and Smudge Stick. Stroke length 2 and highlight area 0 and intensity 10. Again click on Add New Effect and Artistic and Paint Daubs. Brush size 8 and sharpness 7 and brush type simple. Lastly, click on Add New Effect and Sketch and Photocopy. Details 3 and darkness 43. Finally, your stone mosaic texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.